Envx stock is showing some strength in the regular session of today, the 7th of January 2024, up around 19%. The company disclosed that it received a pre-market also a pre-order for some of the batteries. It makes silicon batteries. I want to believe it says ENVX shares rise after new prepaid battery order receives order for silicon batteries from unnamed tech firm. This batteries I believe are for AR headsets. Augmented reality headsets and all that. So we're looking at some strength. The stock has been showing some strength before now. It didn't start today. That news. Today wasn't isn't the first time, and we're seeing the strength that the stock has been showing. I think it began sometime mid to late December of last year, and we have seen one case of strength being returned into the stock as a result of pivoting right on its 10 period moving average. To summarize, just saying that the 10 period moving average has served as a primary demand line at least on one occasion. This was just not about just last week, Monday last week, 30th of December. So we quickly saw it as well. It's closed slightly yesterday, and it was just so we can equally say that just right on the extrapolation of its 10 period moving average. So market participants like what they hear about the stock. They seem to be impressed a bit to some extent with the stock. So we have a negated projection of 18.21. With this was as of 22nd of October, negated a long time ago. This is also we also have another one here. What could that possibly? We have a couple of them up here. All of these are no longer in play at the moment. 23.42. We don't have anyone that is any projection. As a matter of fact, that we can see on this any upper projection on this daily chart. But there are downward projections. We have a 10.79. This was also where it got a pivot. This was as of this was as of when was that? That was that Tuesday. That's the 31st, not just like exactly a week ago. We have there are downward projections. There are no downward projections in play as well. There were before a couple of them, but they are no longer. The algos are no longer considering them. Um, they're no longer considering them. Maybe it's just saying that just be strong. The stock might do well. So momentum is also expected to remain strong up till Friday the 17th, but begin to wane as of come Thursday the 23rd, the 23rd of January. But this is all of these are on the daily chart. Let's have a look at it the hourly charts and see what we have. Do we have upper projections? We don't have. We have downward projections. We have 1.14.17. 14.17. We don't have no downward projections beyond below that. Let's look at the 2 hour chart and see what we have. The 2 hour chart we don't have any as well. Keeps the 10 and 21 period moving averages are serving as primary demand lines. At least they've done that twice in I would say within in this in today's session, based on what we are looking at on the 2 hour chart. Let's have a look at this 3 hour chart. Yeah, the 10 period moving average equally serving as a primary demand line. So I think the strength is there. The interest is there as well on EMVX. Yeah, same as well on the 4 hour chart. 10 period moving average done that's been serving the 10 period moving average has been serving as a primary demand line for a good number of occasions on the stock. So there are no upper projections as well, no downward projections on this 4 hour chart, but there was a negated projection of 16.55 as of as of last week, as a matter of fact, 2nd of January. Yeah, so let's have a look. Okay, we can now go down and see the weekly chart. Let's see. On the weekly chart, we don't have anything as well. We don't have upper projections. We have negated projections. And let's return to the daily chart. Let's see. Okay, there isn't any there as well. No recalculation. So, if anything, you could say let me see, um yeah, the modest strength might continue to remain intact. I think. I mean, the extrapolation for this 10 and 21 moving averages for higher prices, but I really can't compute any upper projections, but they might print, but given today's gain of around 18.38%, maybe it might retrace again and continue to print higher and higher prices. So yeah, it's currently showing strength within a longer term bullish trend. At least in the medium term, strength is there for EMVX. So thank you very much for watching this video.